and angels' purpose. They fly around while we are walking and mold our emotions just to please them. I am cold, can you hear? I will fly with no fear, and the ground taunts my wings, plummet as I sing, plummet as I sing. All we are is an island flightless bird to find our worth in giving birth and stuff. We're lining your homesick and sweating roads and we through the going and stuff. We pick songs to sing, reminds of things that nobody cares about. And honestly, we're probably more suicidal than ever now. If you decide to live by what you think's wrong and what's right, believe me, you'll begin to wish you were sleeping, you're even a creep in the head and you'll cry. We wake up every morning and decide what we believe. We can take apart our very heart and the light will set us free. I am cold, can you hear? I will fly with no fear, and the ground taunts my wings, plummet as I sing, plummet as I am cold, can you hear? I will fly with no fear, and the ground taunts my wings, plummet as I sing, plummet. How frustrating and so degrading. His time will wasting, his time will fly by, and the sky will cry, his light is fading, and he is waiting, oh so patiently, while we repeat the same routine as we will. Please comfortability, and please think about why you can sleep it in the evening. Please don't be afraid of what your soul is really thinking. Your soul knows good and evil, your soul knows both sides, and it's time you pick your battles. I promise you this is mine.